Hello everyone, welcome to this video from the Mathing channel. In this video, we're going to find the value of this expression. So if you're ready, let's solve it. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. And again, here, 4 minus 1 gives us 3. Finally, 3 times 3 equals 9. But this answer is not correct, because we didn't follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is known by the short acronym called the PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. That means if an expression contains both operations, we move from left to right, performing whichever operation we reach first. This rule also applies for addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and we will definitely answer them. Thanks for being with us. 4 minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 1. Now, in this expression, there are 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, we know that multiplication has higher priority, so we first perform the multiplication here. 1 multiplied by 4 gives us 4, and our expression becomes 4 minus 1. Now, in this expression, there are 2 subtractions, and because subtractions have equal priority, we move from left to right and perform the subtraction in order. 4 minus 4 gives us 0, and our expression becomes 0 minus 1, which gives us negative 1. Negative 1 is our final and correct answer. Thanks for watching this video.